friends, today we are here to talk about a particular product which helps us in outdoor camping. Generally, we love to camp, but we cannot camp for a long period because of power issues. We cannot charge our cell phone, our laptop, our camera devices, and many more things which we require. So, in order to meet that, I have got a product which I want to show and want to help you out if you want to do a long period camping. This product will help in charging laptop, cell phone, camera, drone, everything. So this is not a paid promotion. I just wanted to share my share my thoughts about this product and all the devices, all the gadgets which it has as an accessory with it. So this is a solar generator which I'm talking about. This is a lightweight 2 kilo 300 gram. This can be carried anywhere, and it has got a good capacity, and like good capacity in the sense good battery backup. So I just wanted to show there is an emergency lamp over here which we can use. We have some USB port and a C-type port. We also have a 3-pin plug, and we also have some jack point which can be used for any car charger device. So this is what it has. It has got a small display which shows the battery status, and some other informations are there as well. So this is the device which I am talking about, and this is an Indian made product, company called Sarvad, SARRVAD. So that's the company who makes this kind of solutions, solution like solar solutions basically. So in order to charge this product, we have three options. One is solar, one we can charge it in our car using a car charger, and like the cigarette lighter port, and we can also charge it through AC/DC. So this is a particular cord that has come with this product. So this is used for solar charging. I'll come back for the solar charging one. I'll keep it aside right now. This is the AC/DC charger that I have got with this product. So this is basically looks like a laptop charger, a very simple one, and it has also a car charger unit which can be used to charge this device in your car. As well as I was talking about lighter port, it has got this particular port. You can plug in over here, and you can use this to inflate your air mattress and all those things. Air mattress, like nowadays we get the air mattress in order to do car camping, so that we can fit in the car. In order to inflate that air mattress, we have a pump. That pump can be used or can be given power through this device. So most of the time we can use the air mattress in our tent as well. So at that point of time, this would be handy. So coming back to my solar option, this particular cord is used to plug into this particular solar charger. But for this we need a solar panel, and frankly speaking, when I got the solar panel cord wire, the negative positive wire was pretty small. So I had to go to my local market and get some wire. When I went to the local market, I found that I am not getting any solar wire, like solar specific wire. So I got few wires like this kind of things which I have got done. These are 4 mm copper wire. So this is a positive side that I have created. By the way, I got these connectors from Amazon, and these are connectors which are used for solar fitments. So this is the positive side wire that I have made, and this is the negative side. So this has got something different kind of a jack. So this is, and just wanted to show the solar panel. So this is the solar panel which I got. It is a 75 watt solar panel. So as I told, the cord is very small. So over here also I have put in some connectors which will help me to connect these extension cords, and I can keep this solar panel anywhere when I am camping, far off from my camp, in a place where it's getting some sunlight, and then I can camp over there and use the solar panel for charging this particular product. So this is how I have created a setup so that I can camp for long time. Like nowadays there is an option, if I have got an internet facility or any kind of other facility, I can camp somewhere, and I can while I'm camping I can work from there as well if I've got an internet facility. So those kind of things keeping in mind, I have created this particular setup, this logistics, so that I can camp for some long period, like 5-6 days at a different place. I don't have to worry about any kind of power solution, like how will I charge my camera, my drone, and all those things, my cell phone. So this is a very good power solution. Hope I will come up with another video after I use it for some time. Then I'll come up with a review video, basically that how it is performing and what kind of backup I am getting. So those kind of things. So by the way, it claims that it can charge a laptop for 4 times and an iPhone for 23 times. So that's its claim. It has got a 60,000 mAh battery. So those are the features, small features for this particular product, and I am hoping this will be very handy for me for my camping trips in future, once we are out of this lockdown and COVID situation. And in this particular COVID situation also, camping is the best and safe option. So ending my video with this, let me know in comments if you have any questions about this product, and I will help you with those questions. Thank you.